Hello, my piano is thirsty, so come water him with me. 1. Grab your handy watering can. 2. Fill it up with water. I use distilled water because my technician said I'd have to change the pads less often this way. 3. Carefully take the water tube from under the piano. If I let go of this, the water will spill all over the floor, and I don't need that in my life. 4. Water your piano. The water actually runs along the tube and goes into this out-of-focus box, which is the humidifier. There are 2 other tubes underneath that run parallel to the keyboard that are the dehumidifier, and it's all connected to a humidistat that is plugged into the wall. We're gonna put the tube back underneath the piano and hook it. And 5, check that your piano is happy. No flashing lights is a happy piano. Hooray! Please note that while I am a classical pianist, I'm not a piano technician. This is just what I've been taught and what works for me. I'm in Canada and it gets super dry in the winter. Since pianos are made mostly of wood, low humidity means dryness, cracks, wood shrinking, etc. If you live somewhere with fluctuating temperatures or humidity levels, this helps your friends stay in tune and regulated for longer to avoid damages. Don't worry, the water doesn't go into the piano itself. It gets stored into the box installed underneath for when it's needed. Soggy piano would not be good. The pads are draped over the heater bar and hang into the water of the humidifier. If pads lights up red, it means there's a lot of buildup of minerals, so they need to be changed out. By using distilled water rather than tap water, it extends the life of those pads. In the winter, when it's driest, I water every 6 or 7 days. As it gets warmer outside, every 2, sometimes 3 weeks. Some sites say 45 to 70% humidity, others 40 to 60 or 45 to 55. Mostly it's keeping your humidity and temperature as stable as possible, since it's sudden or wide fluctuations that make it go wonky faster. I keep some hygrometers around the room to make sure the humidity is okay. This one shows the lowest and highest this device has recorded. My Grand has the system installed, but my uprights don't, so I also have a regular humidifier for the room. When I couldn't afford one, I kept bowls of water near heat sources around the room, and still do that if it's a particularly dry winter. The universities I attended had a lot of these installed for grand pianos in the music buildings. It was actually part of someone's teaching assistantship to monitor and water all the pianos, so it can be a job. Alright, that's it for today. If you would like to support this channel, I have 2 albums currently available to buy or stream. There are also PDFs in my shop, including this music theory zine I made with shorthand notes. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and happy music making.